Hello, this is Swanglen, and I just got the new train from Lionel in the mail today. Um, I haven't really used it because, it just came in the mail. So, I'm going to go ahead and get this baby opened. Sorry, that's my computer. Okay, alright. This is from, I think, MTH. I don't think Lionel makes this, but I may be wrong. If I am, please correct me. It is a colts train. I'm gonna hold that up there. Colts. Don't want it to fall out. So, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and open it. Very nice detailing that either Lionel or MTH has made. Again, I'm not sure. If I'm wrong, please correct me. So there it is. It is very, very nice. Um, as you can see on the top, it has nice detailing. So let's see the front. It's Colts, which I am kind of a big Colts fan. And it has the horns right here. Yeah, so that is the that is pretty cool how Lionel or MTH has designed that. And then right here you can see you have the little driver man. Not sure if you can see that. Yeah, you can see the guy a little bit. But it is a very nice train to have. It has operating couplers. So that is a very, very nice design that Lionel or MTH has made. So yeah, we're gonna take a look. No, wait, this is Bachmann. This is made by Bachmann. Wow, I didn't know Bachmann made this. But it's from Horton Village. Again, very nice details on the train. I really do. I really will enjoy this train very much. So, yeah. Again, it has little men on it. It has these little sorry. There's the back of it. Does the doors open? No. Yeah. So that's that. Yeah. I will very much enjoy this train. Thank you for watching. I think that's really all I have to say besides this is the bottom of it. See, you can see the, says Bachmann. Yeah. So Bachmann really did a good job. Very nice. So yeah, I really, because I thought it was like something else, and I wasn't so sure if it was going to work with my train, with my set that I'm going to get. So yeah, this is Bachmann. So I will be looking at this. I'm looking at this very closely. And it even has two little men inside it. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. Two little men. That's very nice. Bachmann has done a great job with the couplers and all that. Very fragile. Very fragile. But, yeah. So, I am Swanglen. This is the train again. If you have any questions or comments, please say so. And please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.